if you can go forward.
Try again. Yeah. Good job. You walk back to the top. Careful, don't fall. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Should we go all the way back up to the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you get all the way to the top. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, you want to ride? Okay, sit down. Okay, ready? You did it! You did it. Should we go back up to the top?
Yeah.
See if I can get closer. Get his face in. So one more time and then Daddy has to shovel some more.
Okay, you ready? Okay, good job. Are you ready? Smile nice to Mama.
Hi!
Okay, here we go. You did it. Good job.
Come here! Was that fun?
Yeah.
Is that fun? Did you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.